Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and now I'm happy to inform to you that the GetSpaceAudio.xyz has the feature to download the Twitter transcript again. So if you want to get the transcript of your Twitter space easily, just come to this website GetSpaceAudio.xyz, log in to this one, purchase the download quota, and then just download your Twitter transcript easily. So here is the proof of concept that this feature is work. So I have this POC Twitter space, okay, 1 minute length for the duration, and I will download the transcript of this one. So basically, if I reply this in the browser, actually it doesn't have the transcript. So what I need to do is just copy this one. Okay, let me copy this. Copy the link, okay, and then navigate to the GetSpaceAudio.xyz, login to this site. Okay, I already have the quota for this download because like I'm the one who own this one, right? And just put this and check the download transcript here and click download. So the site will help you to download both for the audio and also for the transcript easily. Just wait in this page and it will reload by itself, and you just need to wait until the audio and the transcript is ready. Just that easy. Okay, let's see for this 1 minute until the process is done, and we can see whether the transcript is downloaded, extracted successfully, and we can see that. Okay, anyway, if you have like a longer Twitter space duration, for sure it will need more time to download, to extract. So just be patient for that. Basically, any duration is acceptable. 1 hour, 2 hour is okay. So okay, see, now I can download the duration and I can see the transcript. Let's see. Let me inform you that okay. So basically, this is the same audio that I spoke last time, and now you see this is the transcript from my Twitter space. Okay, so if you want to download your transcript from your Twitter space, just use this GetSpaceAudio.xyz. Okay, that's all, and just try this one.